U.S. digital health startups receive record venture capital in 2021. U.S. digital health startups collected a record amount of venture capital in 2021 as investors wrote larger checks to a growing number of maturing companies in sectors like virtual care, according to industry data. In recent years, digital health has gone from a niche industry to the mainstream as startups have applied artificial intelligence, big data and remote care in a growing number of areas in healthcare and biomedical research. U.S. digital health startups raised $37.9 billion across 1,372 financings last year, up from $21.7 billion in 1,265 venture deals in 2020. According to market tracker CB Insight. In 2015, digital health startups raised $7.8 billion in 1,146 deals. The COVID-19 pandemic has propelled companies in sectors like telemedicine and decentralized clinical trials, or studies that take place outside large medical centers. Late last year, for example, Medable Incorporated, a provider of technology for decentralized trials, raised a $304 million financing, while online mental health care startup Cerebral Inc. closed a $300 million funding round. We are seeing very strong fundamental growth in the best-performing digital health companies, said Sunny Kumar, a partner with GSR Ventures and investor in Medable. COVID-19 has prompted many patients to seek out telemedicine or virtual care options to avoid in-person encounters. It also has triggered a shift in attitudes on mental health, said Jordan Knopf, co-founder and a managing partner of Tusk Venture Partners. Before the pandemic, mental health care carried a greater stigma, he said. Now people talk about it just like they're going to the gym. They're taking care of themselves, Mr. Knopf said. Investors are also responding to the recent success of digital health startup. Last year, the field saw new highs in mergers and acquisitions, initial public offerings and exits through special purpose acquisition companies, or firms that merge with private companies and take them public. U.S. digital health IPOs, for example, more than doubled to 36 last year from 15 in 2020, according to CB Insight. As investors rush into digital health, entrepreneurs can be more discriminating on which to work with, selecting those that are the best fit, said Samantha Lynch, head of strategy and finance for Redesign Health Incorporated, a firm that builds healthcare startups. Venture investors in this climate must differentiate themselves, said Lynn Cho O'Keefe, founder and managing partner of Define Ventures. Some of the best digital health venture deals are now coming together in 2.5 to 3 weeks, compared with months in earlier times, she said. Investors who are very knowledgeable in a given area can move quickly when they spot the right company and distinguish themselves to entrepreneurs. You need to really understand the dynamics of what you're looking for, she said. This story has been published from a wire agency feed without modifications to the text. Never miss a story. Stay connected and informed with Mint. Download our app now.